Hey everyone, here Marissa Tranquina from the Dental Geek blog, and I'm with Dr. Tarun Agarwal, who's joining us from Raleigh, North Carolina, and he is an expert on digital dentistry. So I thought today we could talk a little bit about 3D imaging and your perspective about this high-tech dentistry. If you don't mind, Dr. Agarwal, can you give us a little bit of your perspective on the current role of 3D imaging within the general dental office?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Thank you for having me here, number one. I think the big thing that we need to understand is that it's been thought that 3D imaging was for specialists for the longest period of time. And really the truth is 90% of the technology being used today and purchased today is going in the general dentist office. And really what we're seeing in our practice is that there's so many different uses for it that it's a perfect fit for the general practices. So we're seeing a definite trend in moving forward, and more general dentists are adopting the technology.
That's great. So you actually place a lot of implants in your office, is that correct?
It's all relative, but yeah, we do a good number.
So how does this technology specifically aid you in placing implants?
You know, for me personally, it is the driving force of why we're able to do implants. In fact, we wouldn't do any implants in our office without the technology. It is the basis from the moment that we educate our patients, gain case acceptance, to the moment that we plan our cases, to the fact that we place our cases, and now from the perspective of restoring our cases, this technology is instrumental in each step of the way.
Wow, amazing. So if you're a dentist who's really interested in this, but you haven't really taken the dive yet, how do you recommend that they get started?
Well, the first thing I would say is stop being fearful, just do it. I think there's a shoe company with that slogan.
I've never heard of it, I don't know.
But the time is now. To me, the key is we can use this technology to grow procedures, to add procedures to our office so that we can increase production and revenue. For those that want to learn about it, I understand the fear factor. I face that as well, is talk to your local representative about attending a 3D summit. I know Sharona and Patterson put these on. I'm a speaker there. It's a wonderful way to spend a day and a half learning about the technology.
We don't need a t-shirt to prove it, but Dr. Agarwal is officially a certified dental geek.
Listen, I was a geek before being a geek was chic.
There you have it.
I think the exciting things I've seen here at 3D Summit is how easy it can be and how time-saving and how progressive dentistry can get.
The CEREC machine is great. You know, definitely the wave of the future for dentistry. The way you can mill anything from abutments to surgical guides. So the CEREC is really interesting.
Do you plan on attending the 3D Summit again?
Absolutely. It's so much fun, and it's very exciting to see that dentistry is much more than what we do every day. So it's amazing. I'm very happy.